G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do another flip cup pour, this time with a combination of browns and gold metallic kind of colors. So I have brown earth, burnished copper, which is a metallic, Norwegian orange, raw sienna, Naples yellow hue, pale gold, and titanium white. So my camera had a little bit of a malfunction, unfortunately, so I've skipped a couple of steps here, but essentially I put all of the paints in the little cups, and then I actually made up these paint tubs. As you can see, they're about 2/3 full with my standard pouring medium, and I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. I then mixed these well with, of course, the paddle pop stick, and now I'm at the stage where I'm ready to actually layer my cup. And for this I'm going to use my standard cell activator, so I'll also link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. Now I'm just going to start with a generous layer on the bottom of the cup. And I have two metallic colors in this mix, so I have the pale gold as well as the burnished copper. I'm really keen on the acrylic pour paintings where there are subtle traces of metallic shimmer coming throughout the other colors, and so in order to get that effect I'm keen to have some of these actually at the bottom of the cup, so when I flip the cup, of course, they're going to be somewhere close to the surface. I like layering with white between the other colors because I find that it creates subtle and quite interesting stripy effects in some of the finished results. So I've already prepared my canvas. This is the front of the canvas, this is the back of the canvas, and I've added painter's tape to the bottom edge as well as these giant push pins. So now it's time to flip the cup. So far this one seems quite subtle because I've got some very graded colors down here, but I really love this section up here, and I'm definitely getting some cells up there. I'm wondering what will happen if I spread the paint down in this direction just a little bit to try and expand these sections out. Just going to spin this a little bit now and see what happens. This one's turned out quite subtle, actually. I have a lot of layering and a lot of stripes of the different subtle hues coming down here, but not a lot of lacing and not a lot of cells. So I have got this small section up here, but predominantly it's just the small bubbles that have come up that have become cells in the rest of this. But it is very interesting because I do have some layers underneath that are in a slightly different direction, which adds a little bit of interest, I think.